What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to the channel, man. Show some love. Why you so stubborn, bro? Clicking the like button, you know how much that shit helped me, bro? Just click the button, bro. We got Shine Armor. We got a new sponsor on the channel, man. Our first sponsor here on the channel is really special. They're the first ones to reach. Damn, I just realized. Anyways, yeah, this is really special to me because they're the first ones to reach out to me for a sponsorship. Not only helping me, they're helping you guys too. So that's the great part about it. We got their ceramic spray here. You spray it on real quick. Oh shit. Spray it on real quick. Feel me? Put that right there. Oh, go ahead and wipe that off. After you wipe it off and let it sit for like 2 minutes, water just be running right off of it. See that shit? Ain't no water there. Nah, for real though, watch this. Look how it beat up. What I'm gonna need y'all to do for me is everyone go to their website, check some of their stuff out. Since they're partners of the channel now, go ahead and use the code CoreyW to save money on your order. But yeah, bro, Shine Armor. Big shout out to Shine Armor, bro. First ones to support me, first ones to look out for it, you feel me? So we gonna support the ones who support us for sure, bro. So as many of you know, recently I put my wastegate dump out of my cowl right here. In order to do that, I removed the heat shield. I think the heat shield is also a runoff for all the water, so it doesn't touch all the electrical wires back there. For those of you who have me on IG, saw me struggling with the pedal again, is working. You feel me? It started working again, but now I'm getting IAT sensor codes, getting an open circuit code or high voltage, something like that. So right now it's cutting boost because my AFRs are all over the place. So we don't even want to push the car right now. I'm gonna try to get this figured out. I'm gonna try to figure out what needs to be replaced in the wires. I already replaced the IAT sensor right here, so I know it's not that. Redid the wiring for that. Might be something up here in the wire harness. I just don't know yet. So we're gonna see. In order to be safe and just have peace of mind, I actually ended up modifying the heat shield so it could fit with the new wastegate setup. Tell by the thumbnail and the title too, I had some fun with some rotaries. I want to give a big shout out to Ben_FC3S. Invited us out to the hangar and all that. We had fun, bro. A bunch of different rotaries, as you guys will see. A lot of horsepower, bro. Hopefully when this is running next time, I can bring this out to the hangar and we can have some fun with those cars, because I know you guys would love to see that too. So if this car would just work, bro. And also real quick, I just want to thank everyone that supported the merch drop. Drop is live if you guys want to cop. Link will be down in the description. Again, thank you for all the support. You guys are killing shit. I couldn't ask for better supporters, bro. Honestly, love y'all.
Top 10, we go Fred, we work. Top 10, that I lost, swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
got some heat today, boys.
No, it is a half Bridgeport, fully studded, 13 BT. Bought it up in Wisconsin, drove to Wisconsin, drove it back to Illinois, and then had it shipped down. It's running on Haltech 2500 AEM7 digital dash. And then those taillights, I've never seen those taillights before. They're called Evo R. They're supposed to be Lamborghini style. Okay. This is my twin rotor. It's not a kit, it's a custom V-mount intercooler and radiator setup. Pretty much brand new Garrett 7875. Yeah, it's
a big ass turbo.
Yeah, basically, it makes all the big power that 80 millimeters make. I think it's a 68 millimeter, and it spools up at like $3 grand. Like, bought this car.
Yo. It misses me.
Pretty much everything that you see has less than 1,000 miles on it. The R-Spec, front bumper, R-Spec wing. Like I said, it's got some work, but I mean, it's fucking beautiful.
This whole garage worth more than my house.
No shit, Sherlock. Interjection 1. Vulgar, colloquial, sarcastic, somewhat derogatory, a riposte to someone who has just said something obvious. Okay.
All these rotaries. Damn it, Gamma?
Look, bro. My fingers are shaking, bro. I'm cold, bro.
Look at all the rocks it's kicking up already, bro.
Those are 11.5 wide.
What size are the tires? Like how many millimeters?
295s.
That looks wide, bro.
I have 305s I have to put on.
Stop playing with them, Ryan.
Yo, crazy, bro. Shit. What year is this car made? 88. You know, 88. It's insane, bro.
Take that motor out of there and put it in the RX. Come on, dude. That thing needs a 3-rotor. Where are you gonna put a 13B?
That's gonna be a 12-8 turbo.
This thing looks light.
I can't wait for this one to be done. This thing.
I know.
Is nice.
Yes, sir. Look at these side skirts. Oh my god. Yo. Oh.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. See, hugging me. Never been to RX-7.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, this one makes a little over 600.
Can anyone catch Milangeni? Oh, maybe somebody can! Is that our cameraman? He's matching him stride for stride! He's run the whole race with that camera on his shoulder! Just incredible!
Yeah.
Shit. Mirrors are so small.
APR mirrors. He's got the same.
Oh, those are fire though, yeah.
Yeah.
No, bro, it's so simplistic and perfect though. Like,
yeah. Ready?
for a good deal.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Shit sounds crazy. Yo.
Ready?
That shit's a go-kart. Yo. Oh my god.
Hey, yo, what the f***?
Yo. How much power did that Super make behind us?
1100.
1100?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
The pigs are out to play.
Amazon workers like, yo, what is going on, bro?
Yeah.
How do I even open this shit?
Yeah.
Yo, what? What the hell? thought I was fast. Oh man. Everything just chopping back there, bro. Chop, chop, chop. Smell like a whole lot of E85. I gotta get a chopstick. I'll be right back. Oh shit. What? Yo, what are you doing, bro? We don't need that shit.
Alright, bro. So we're just gonna start scamming.
Wait, what?
I need this tomorrow.
Yo, I had to go inside, buy me a Blistex real quick. You look like a sad case.
Right in the Supra, because Tyler's gonna ride up in, so he's a passenger. And he's like,
Yeah, I just what the fuck? What's wrong with you, boy? I'm getting in that shit. Oh, I didn't even see these, bro. It's my first time putting on a harness. I'm gonna figure it out. Locked up. Yes, sir. Pause. Hey, yo. That shit is crazy. That flame, boy. Jesus Christ. Yo.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to fashion and fashion.
Get off of it. No water left on the paint. Glossy.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Aggies. You can talk a lot, but